Want your Amazon product to look premium? Start with custom packaging. And you can see right here, this product has custom packaging with their item. And yes, it does help them increase sales and credibility. Not a huge increase, but it does make a difference in the long run, right? And we have another product right here. This is a laser hair removal device. And they have a really basic box, but it does look premium. And it is going to help them in the long run to have credibility, because when somebody opens the product, they're going to be like, wow, this is legit. This is a nice box. It's got their brand name on it, compared to an unbranded box that they just opened. And they're like, okay, this seems a little bit sketch. And you don't want customers to think that your product lacks credibility in any way. And this is how you generate sales long term, is making a brand. One of the easiest ways is going to be starting with Vistaprint.com, and I recommend all beginners start with Vistaprint to make their custom box. You just type in custom box. See if they have your dimensions. If they don't, or you want to use a different company, I do have another one in a second. But you're going to click on this, and then what you can do is to put in your dimensions, right? Let's just say this is it. We're going to do inside and outside of the box is going to be custom. And then you just click start designing right on the Vistaprint website, right? And this is where it gets pretty awesome, I would say. And this is why I'm recommending Vistaprint, because they give you a 3D model, as you can see, of your box while you're designing it. So you can get graphics, you can upload your own graphics, right? You can do all that stuff. But let's say I'm adding a mountain on here. I'm adding a mountain here, and you can kind of see what it's going to look like. And let's say we're adding designs. Here's a pattern. And I'm adding a pattern now, and then boom, we've got a pattern, and it actually shows you whatever you put on the flat template box. It shows you in 3D what it's going to look like, which is pretty amazing. You can even click open, and look, it opens the box, and you can do the interior of the box as well, which is pretty awesome. If you're not a crazy graphic designer, you can do it yourself within at least an hour, which isn't too bad. And then Vistaprint also has tons of coupons. If you just go to Google Vistaprint coupon, they're kind of like 20% off. They always have coupons, so never check out on Vistaprint without a coupon. And you can always go on Canva.com and then design your own item as well, your own box template. That's going to be a little bit more complicated. But if you don't want to use Vistaprint and you're like, look, I need this custom box, it needs to be this, it needs to be that. We've used this company plenty of times, and they're called Printing Blue. Now, they are legit, and they will help you with any type of box that you want. They'll be able to make it. They've got great reviews, and they have amazing pricing. So that's going to be your long-term play if you want to be ordering a lot more and not use Vistaprint. They also have free graphic design services. I don't know how good their graphic design services are, but their packaging, right, the boxes and everything are very good. So I can at least attest for that. But that's going to be your custom packaging journey, is just getting started with Vistaprint, and then going through the lines, and then finally ending up with Printing Blue. We're another big company at the end of the day, but it's not about spending tons of money. It's about finding the best deal, right, for the best box for the best price, because you don't want the box to lower your profit margins, right? You should be paying like $1 per box at the end of the day, or even less if you're ordering in bulk. But that's it for today's video. If you have more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content. It's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, creating your own custom packaging, or just help selling on Amazon, you can contact the HP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is full account management. We'll help you with all your designs, creating boxes, retail packaging, inserts, all of that good stuff to help you on your Amazon journey. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of HP Consulting Group, signing out.
Ini dan sampai